Come here, man of the match, Rakib. Is Rakib Al Hassan. Come, this match win. Your what happening, but your performance. কি আপনার অনুভূতি কি?
Yeah, definitely. After 2 hours of breakfast and scholar, the is very protein.
Yeah.
1.6 is 360 thermometer is very coming soon. But very bad time from Kutandro Norjon Sakib Al Hassan is World Cup Batil. Is very sad moment because I always remember I'm not sad. I'm always Salon Kyoto.
Yeah.
That's my
Bangladesh TikTok very temporary local high court school at college.
Yes.
Yeah. Sakib Al Hassan, what happening?
Sakib Al Hassan, what happening is Sakib Al Hassan. My team is number 1 Shoktishali because is Kutandolo not joining.
Yeah, it's a
इसलिए बातिल हो गया. But it's not very sad moment.
Bad time.
Always remember.
Yeah. Your match is আগামীতে ফাইনাল ম্যাচে কি আপনার
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, Agami match is very not Koladur dim. Always Mangsho. Tricep, bicep is very coming soon.
Your foreign player is a Bang Baji, Sharp Baji. Your
Foreign player is very low quality.
Yeah.
Foreign player is not Huda Khan Gataka for Sakoros. It's very not. Yes. From always Deshi player is Shoktishali.